Mailchimp tutorial, how to connect Mailchimp to WordPress 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing on how you can basically go ahead and connect your Mailchimp to your WordPress and obviously work around with it. So it's going to be a really simple and it's going to be a really easy and very informational tutorial. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the information that I have to provide you with, because if you all do all of that properly, then I guarantee you that fully till the end of this video, you're going to fully know how you can basically create a Mailchimp account, create a WordPress account, and then finally connect those two to use them with each other. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So what you're going to want to do is, like, I obviously assume that you already have a Mailchimp dashboard set it up and a Wix store. Okay, now once you have both of these fully set it up and you have everything good to go, first of all, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to come over here to your Mailchimp. Okay, now, once you're in your Mailchimp, obviously you can see there's tons of things, campaigns, automations, you have audiences, analytics, website, content, etc. We don't really want to mess around with those right now. We want to come over to integrations, okay? So I'm going to click on integrations, and once you click on integrations, you're going to come up here and you're going to scroll down where it says connect your store, and here you can see it says WooCommerce, okay? So obviously WordPress, if like you want to do email marketing for your online store or your e-commerce store, and obviously you're going to connect it to your WooCommerce. Now right now my store isn't upgraded, or I don't have WooCommerce. I can't show you the proper way to connect it to your WooCommerce, but yeah, that's what you're going to want to do. You're going to connect it to your WooCommerce, okay? And obviously if you don't want to connect it with your WooCommerce, you can just connect it directly with your proper WordPress account, okay? And let me show you how it's going to look like. So you could obviously come over here and connect it with your WordPress. Obviously, you can see over here, connect WordPress to Mailchimp to enable pop-up forms and Google remarketing ads. Okay, so you can either do this, or what you can do is you're going to come over to WooCommerce or WordPress, sorry. And once you're over here, you're going to go over to plugins. And once you come here, you're going to write Mailchimp. Just write that into the plugin section. And once you write that, look at this. So first of all, obviously, they give you Mailchimp for WooCommerce. Connect your store to your Mailchimp audience to track sales, create targeted emails, send abandoned cart emails, and more. And then you have Mailchimp list subscribe form. This is officially from Mailchimp. The official Mailchimp integration, that you can create a list subscribe form, but you can also come over here and use this one. So it's Mailchimp Forms by Mailmunch. Mailmunch is another creator, but it helps you to connect your WordPress or WooCommerce to your Mailchimp. So, really awesome stuff. But yeah, you can either connect it directly through your WordPress, but obviously to connect them, you're going to need to have a higher plan. You're going to need to have an upgraded plan. If you don't have that, then obviously you will not be able to integrate the two with each other. Okay, so yeah, do make sure to have both of those things. Now, once you have both of those things, obviously do it from here. So let's say I'm going to use Mailchimp for WooCommerce. I'm going to click on that, and here it says free, upgrade and activate. So you can, just go ahead and install it directly, and make sure you have an upgraded plan. Once you do that, you're going to activate the plugin. And once you do that, obviously under the plugin section, you're going to get your Mailchimp. And as you can see over here, you can do all these things. So join the 17 million customers who use Mailchimp, the world's largest marketing automation platform, to develop their e-commerce marketing strategy. With the official Mailchimp for WooCommerce integration, your customers and their purchase data are automatically synced with your Mailchimp account, making it quite easy to send targeted campaigns, automatically follow up with customers post-purchase, recommend products, recover abandoned carts, and measure the ROI of your marketing efforts. And it's completely free. So what can you do with this plugin? What you can do basically to start things off is sync your audience, or sync to your audience in Mailchimp with purchase data, sync new subscribers to your audience when they create an account and opt in, set up marketing automations to remind customers about items that they left in their cart or viewed on your site, win back lapsed customers, and follow up post purchase, which is not available with your free accounts. You can also showcase your product recommendations. Okay, you can track and segment customer based on their proper purchase history and everything. which is also a pretty easy thing for messing around with your store. You can automatically embed a pop-up form that converts your website visitors to subscribers, add discount codes created in WooCommerce to your emails, and automations with a promo code content block. You can create beautiful landing pages that make it easy to highlight your products, promote a sale or giveaway, and grow your audience. And this plugin is WordPress multilingual compatible. Now, WPML compatible is also a big feature to have when it comes to integrating or connecting things with your WordPress, okay? Well, that's the first way. The second way is you're going to come here, and as you can see, before you start, our code supports Google Marketing Ads and, pop-up forms. So to use our e-commerce tools, connect a supported store, and you can obviously see you'll need to know how to edit a WordPress theme. If you need assistance, contact your developer or hire a Mailchimp expert. And if you have a WordPress.com website, a business plan is required to add code to your site. As I told you, you're going to need to have the business plan to add the code. Without that, it is not possible. Then obviously the installation steps are you're going to enter your website URL over here, okay? Choose an audience to connect your site to. So, choose the audience. Then click on Get Code, highlight the code and copy it to your clipboard. In your WordPress theme, paste our code into the header PHP file before the closing head tag. Obviously, that's the HTML code and stuff. And after you're done, return to this page and click Check Connection. So let me give you a rough example, okay? So I'm gonna go over here, and this is my WordPress URL. What I'm gonna do here, come here and paste it. So there we go. Now I'm gonna click on Get Code. Now, once you click on Get Code, obviously it's going to check if our website is legit, and if it is, there you go. It gives you a code, so you're going to copy this, and you're going to come here. Obviously, you're going to go into your website's, code and stuff. But obviously for that, you're going to have to upgrade it to the business plan as they have stated. And trust me, you will need the business plan because without that, you will not be able to edit your website's code. So, it's pointless trying to mess with the code and everything. So yeah, you get the whole in general point and gist of it. So yeah, that's essentially about it when it comes to, discussing and actually connecting your Mailchimp to your WordPress. So yeah, basically if you enjoyed that video and found it informational, please do make sure to go ahead and drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I will make the content for you. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.